This is Ron Boone, and today we're going to learn how to fine-tune the wireless tool sensor by changing the offsets value inside the macro inside Mach 3. So we'll go ahead and go to Operator, click on the Edit Button script, and we'll click on the Auto Tool 0 button, and then the macro should appear in like a notepad format, and these are just messages right here, but what you can do is you can go ahead and copy and then just put a date on there or a comment. I put past just so then we know that that's what's going to be, and then you would change this accordingly. So if we can change this to like 5 or 7, whatever it needs to be in order to have the wireless tool sensor become more accurate, then you'll do that. These numbers would, if you go higher, so you just have to change the values and test it. And go ahead and save it. When you're done, close out, and that should be it. Thanks for watching.